Ever thought about studying public relations in Canada? Canadian government has estimated around 37,000 and above job availabilities for PR professionals by 2026. So, which all universities or institutes in Canada offer you this program? York University, Winnipeg University, McGill University, Seneca College, Sheridan College, Centennial College, Conestoga, Fanshawe, and many more. So, what are the entry requirements? Bachelor's in related field with 60 or 65 percentage and above. Around 5 to 6 backlogs are acceptable, and very important, this course is also included in the occupation list. So 8 to 1 years of program it will be, and you will get 1 year post study work visa, and 6.5 is the requirement in IELTS. And you guys are still thinking? To know more, do check the description. Thank you.